Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix it look like you have turned off permission error on Twitter when you're uploading post or video. Let's get into the video. And I want to inform this is not only happening to your account, this is happening worldwide. If you go to a Reddit, you can see so many people complaining about this issue happening to them. So this is about a platform issue, not on your device. So let's get fix it. There's a no solid fix from X development side, but if you want to post a story or picture on your X account, we can work around it. For that, first go to your gallery and select a picture and hit the share icon, and you can see a lot of apps you can share. So make sure to select the X account, and you will see it will come on your share option. Then you can type, I'm going to type as a test one and click the post. Once it's posted, so go back to your X account and you can refresh it, and you can see the post you have been shared. And this way you can post a post or video to your X account. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.